Ever wanted to create those breathtaking anime nature reels that blow up on YouTube and Instagram? Imagine doing it with just a few clicks, no art degree needed. Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how to create viral worthy anime scenes that not only wow your audience but can make you money too. Today I'm going to spill the tea on how to create jaw-dropping anime nature reels that have the potential to go viral across YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. If you've seen Instagram accounts like this blowing up and thought, I could do that, well, you're absolutely right. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything you need to create your own viral anime nature content. Let's get this party started. Step 1. Generating AI image prompts with ChatGPT. First things first, we need some killer prompts to get the creative juice flowing. Don't worry, ChatGPT got us covered. Here's the magic prompt you're going to use. Create 10 AI image prompts for a viral anime nature wallpaper in 4K quality that evokes a similar style to the renowned anime styles such as digital illustration by Hayao Miyazaki, 3D animation from Pixar film like Up, or photography with a 35mm lens inspired by Makoto Shinkai. Depict a serene and picturesque nature landscape such as forest, meadow, beach, or underwater scene. You could just, put in whatever background settings or aesthetics you'd like it to have. Yada yada yada. There are lots of other informations and parameters set into it. It should remain free of human character. Aim for a stylized, vibrant, and enchanting aesthetic that captures the viewer's imagination. You can find the prompt in the description box below for your own use. So once you've entered this into ChatGPT, it will generate 10 beautifully detailed image prompts ready for the next step. Step 2. Generating AI images with Leonardo AI. With our prompt in hand, it's time to bring these scenes to life using Leonardo AI. Here's what you'll do. Open Leonardo AI, access the image creation section, and copy the prompts generated by ChatGPT and paste the prompts into the text field of Leonardo AI. So for the settings, choose Anime as the preset and select Anime General for the preset style. Since we're creating reels for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok, you set your aspect ratio to 9:16. Now hit generate and watch as Leonardo AI turn those prompts into stunning anime nature scenes. So you just keep repeating the process of copying and pasting the prompts till you have all your images generated. Now, after you're done generating all your images, you can take things a step further by animating them directly in Leonardo AI. But you're not limited to just one tool. You can also use other animation tools like Luma Labs AI, Kling AI, or Immersity AI. I've created several tutorial videos on how to animate images into videos using these tools, and you can find the links down below in the description box to watch those videos. Once you've finished animating your images, download the files so they are ready for the next step. Step 3. Editing with CapCut. So now it's time to edit your animated scenes into a captivating reel using CapCut. CapCut is a super powerful, user-friendly video editing app that will help you bring your anime nature reel to life. And here's how to go about it. So you start by importing your animated videos into CapCut and you arrange them into your desired sequence. If you want the animated videos to be longer, you could just loop them or, double them up so it would be longer. Just arrange them in your desired sequence and add any additional effects, text, transitions to enhance the storytelling. Play around with the editing features until you're satisfied with the final result. You can pair your video with an interesting voiceover of a story, motivational speech, or anything else that comes to mind. Once you're done editing, export your video and you will have created a beautifully crafted anime nature reel ready to share with the world. Creating anime nature reels isn't just about showcasing your creativity. It can also open up new monetization opportunities. These visuals can be used on story channels, motivational contents, or even as background visuals in anime films, all of which can be monetized on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. You can also sell your work as wallpapers or prints, offering personalized services to clients who want custom art. The monetization possibilities are endless, and with the right approach, you can turn your passion for creating anime nature art into a profitable venture. Remember, don't wait for an existing path. Create your own. If you're ready to start creating your own anime nature reels, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new tutorials. Let your creativity shine and let's make something incredible together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.